Alright guys, so this is just a quick video to help you log into this Kaduceus program. This is what we're going to be using for the EKG certification, and we'll have to go through this whole thing, and you have to complete all the coursework in this thing in order to be considered for the certification exam at the end of the year, which will replace your final exam. So you want to be able to sit for that, so you can be exempt from your final, and also have a chance to get certified as an EKG tech, which can help you in the future. So what you're going to do is, like the instructions I told you in the assignment showed you, you're going to go to that link that I gave you. That link will take you here, and you are not a Kaduceus member yet, so you're going to click register now. Put your email in there. You can use your school email, or if you want to use another one that you use more frequently, you can do that. Create a password, do something that you will remember that you use on a regular basis, and then do the same thing here, another one, or do the same thing, same password. Put your first and last name, and then the registration code is what I gave you in the assignment. You're going to put that right in there, depending on whether you're second or fifth period. If you're second period, you're going to put one in there. This is fifth period right here. So you put that in there and you click create account, and that'll take you to our class where you're going to start working on the assignments that are given to you there. So the first assignment for today is to do the history of medicine crossword puzzle. You're going to complete that, turn it in through Canvas, and then that'll be your assignment for today. So if you have any questions, let me know, but hopefully this should help you get it all set up.